Wow, we have many flashcards. Oh, it's a pegboard. These are colorful sticks. We make letter A. A is for apple. We have colorful stick. Place the stick going down to the right, another stick going down to the left. Add one stick across the middle, and our letter A is ready. This is the letter B. B is for banana. We have many colorful sticks. One stick straight down, one more stick at the top, in the middle, and one at the bottom. We need two curved sticks. Our letter B is ready. This is letter C. C is for camel. To make the letter C, we need only one curve. This is look like a moon. Let's jump to the next letter D. D is for duck. We need only two sticks, one straight and one curved. This blue like a ocean. Our D is ready. Here comes the letter E. E is for elephant. We need one straight stick. Add three sticks going right, one at the top, one at the middle, and one at the bottom. Our letter E. E is for elephant. The next letter is F. F is for frog. To create letter F, we remove one line from the bottom. Time for letter G. G is for gift. We have colorful stick. One blue stick like a letter C. Add one more in the middle. G is for gift. Let's make the letter H. H is for horse. Two straight stick down, and then we connect with one stick in the middle like a bridge between the two towers. H is for horse. Here the letter I. I is for yummy yummy ice cream. We have yellow green color stick. One straight stick down, add small stick at the top and bottom. I is for ice cream. Let's make the letter J. J is for jug. First, we make one straight line like this. Then, one stick down with a curve in the bottom. This read like an apple. This is the letter K. Let's create letter K. We have three colors. First, one straight stick down, add two sticks going out. Our letter K is ready. K is for key. Now we jump your favorite letter L. L is for lamp. We have two sticks. One straight stick down, add one stick at the bottom going right. L is like a corner. Let's make the letter M. M is for mango. We have four colorful sticks. Two straight sticks down like this way. Connect with two sticks in a point like a mountain. M is for mango. Time for letter N. N is for necklace. We have three colorful sticks. One stick straight down, then we connect one diagonal stick and one more straight stick. Letter N. This is letter O. O is for orange. Let's create the letter O with two sticks. Round and round we go like a big circle. Make two letter O is very easy. The next letter come P. P is for fawn. To make letter P, we need two sticks. One straight stick down, add a curve at the top like B little brother. Now the time for letter Q. Q is for Queen. First, we make a circle like O. To make circle, now we add some pink curved shape. Add a small stick at the bottom right, like a O with tail. This is letter R. Let's make the letter R. R is for rabbit. Like P with an extra stick. Add diagonal line from the middle, going down to the right. R is for rabbit. The next is letter S. S is for star. Let's make the letter S with this stick. This is green like a cauliflower. This is yellow like a banana. We make letter S. Great. S is for snake also. Letter T. T is for ZZ tomato. Let's create the letter T with two sticks. One stick down, one stick at the top. It is very easy to make. Now we jump our next letter U. U is for umbrella. We have many colorful small sticks. First is yellow, then we add pink to make curve, and then we add one more yellow. Our letter U is ready. U is for umbrella. The next letter is V. V is for vase. Let's make the letter V with two sticks. Wide at the top and point to the bottom. The next is letter W. W is for whale. We have four sticks. We make exact opposite to letter M. Up down like a wave. W is for wave also. Now the time to jump next letter X. X make a sound of like a fox. Make a crossing line. One this way and one this way like a marking at a spot. X says like a fox. Next letter is Y. Y make a sound of Y like a butterfly. Let's make the Y. Two sticks meeting in the middle, one stick down at the center like a tree with branches. Letter Y. This is our last letter Z. Z make a sound of J like a pizza. First we make a simple straight line top and then bottom. Diagonal down. This way our letter Z is ready. Okay kids, see you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care.